At the beginning, you will need to download the Kali Linux ISO file. To begin, connect to your internet and open your browser. Type linux.org, or you can type Kali Linux or kali.org and hit enter. So in both cases, in the first case, just go to download Linux and you should be able to see Kali at the end and click on download. You will be redirected to the same website at the end. At this stage, you will have several options to download. Some are for virtual machine, some are installer images. We can just scroll down and here you will find the installer for Kali Linux. For me personally, I will choose the complete offline installation with customization and I will click here on the left on this little arrow so that the download begins. You might find yourself waiting 7 to 8 minutes based on how fast is your internet before the download is completed. The file is 4.1 giga big and it should not take a long time from you to completely download. After a few minutes, I have managed to download the file and here I have it ready to be used.